Folks, so we have this awesome Samsung 970 EVO NVMe M.2 solid state drive that we're going to install, and we took the screw off right here. This is a awesome MSI motherboard. There's a little screw I took out. So we're going to install it in there. A very simple installation. Alright, so we're going to do this with one hand, hopefully. And usually they just come in at an angle. There you go. And then you come in and screw it in. So I'm not going to be able to do that with one hand. But that's pretty much the installation, folks. Thanks for checking out the video. Please like, please subscribe. Please watch more of my video. Thank you.